Welcome, wonderful dreamers. I put Maxi's dental sticks in the dehydrator, and the dehydrator stopped working. And I need to replace my dryer now, it's winter. So we look at the budget and decide it's time for a maximum upgrade. The old dryer, it ran till the bitter end, such a hard worker. The new dryer, lovely to have again. My first dehydrator, you served us well. The new dehydrator, you are very nice, with extra power. A boring ceiling, no color or flair. A very cool ceiling, with color, flair, and is so pretty. They dehydrate faster in the new unit. I think I will find a purpose for the racks for gardening. And in the meantime, they have helped sort this drawer. A couple of the other options. And the dryer definitely works. That is the maximum upgrade approved. I hope you had a good day.